Alert Customs operatives foiled another smuggling attempt involving 6.2 million pesos worth of imported sugar and a cargo truck. The seizure was made at the MICP. Noel Perfecto with this report.
It's another victory for the fight against smuggling as Customs Chief Rufy Biazon, together with Deputy Commissioner for Intelligence Danilo Lim and Manila International Container Port Collector Boise Belmonte, seized 6.2 million pesos worth of imported sugar from Singapore and a misdeclared cargo truck hidden inside 4 container vans. Commissioner immediately ordered the filing of charges against the consignee, Classical Star Commercial, in violation of the Tariff and Customs Code of the Philippines and Section 2503 of Sugar Regulatory Authority.
Itong shipment na ito, dahil ito ay na-misdeclare, maliwanag na hindi sila sumunod sa mga sinasabi ng batas. Kaya tungkulin ng Bureau of Customs na hulihin itong shipment na ito.
Biazon praised customs officials for its continued effort to stop illegal activities at the piers. Commissioner Biazon also denied allegations made by the group of smugglers who are greatly affected by the government's drive.
Hindi lang naman opinion nila ang nagmamatter dito sa atin. No? Una-una yung opinion din ng stakeholders na nagsasabi sa akin na maayos naman ang pamamalakad natin. No? Yung mga kasamahan din natin sa gobyerno at saka sa dito sa Bureau, ganun din naman, may positive words para sa atin. At ang higit sa lahat, syempre hanggang nandyan yung kumpiyansa ng Pangulo.
Meanwhile, spectators were shocked when Biazon displayed 5 Ferraris and 2 Maseratis to media. He claims that taxes from these high-end vehicles can aid the government.
Ito ay legitimate na in-import no, ng dealer ng mga sasakyang ito at ito ngayon ng MICP, Bureau of Customs. No? So tinignan lang naman natin just to have an ocular. Ito naman ay bahagi ng lehitimong importasyon.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.